Today you need to title your notes Markup and Discount. First, let's talk about a markup. In order to make a profit, stores charge more for merchandise than they pay for it. The amount of increase is called the markup. So in order to calculate this, let's look at an example here. It says a music store's percent of markup is 67%. A CD costs the store $10.15. So the store pays $10.15, but in order to make money, they have to mark up the price 67%. So we need to find the markup, and then we need to find the selling price. So first, the markup. We need to figure out 67% of $10.15. Now remember, when you're talking about of in math, it means multiplication. So we need to multiply $10.15 times 67%. If you type it in your calculator like this, you have to put that percent symbol. Otherwise, if you don't put the percent, you need to change 67 to a decimal. Remember, the decimal's at the end, and you need to move it 2 spaces to the left. So that would be the same as multiplying by 0.67. You don't have to do both of these. Either do the percent symbol or change it to a decimal. Okay, so when we multiply that, we get $6.80. That means that the markup, the amount that the store will make, is $6.80. But to figure out how much they sell it for, since it was a markup, we need to take $10.15, which is what they paid for it, plus that $6.80, and we get $16.95. So the markup is $6.80. Notice I added the dollar sign on here for my final answer. And the selling price is $16.95. Now let's talk about discounts. A discount, it explains here, when an item goes on sale, the amount of the price decrease is the discount. So for example, athletic shoes that regularly sell for $85.99 are on sale for 20% off. This time we need to find the discount and then find the selling price. So again, we need to figure out 20% of $85.99. So we just need to multiply that. If you decide to not use the percent symbol, remember the decimal would be here. We move it 2 spaces to the left so we can multiply by 0.20. When you multiply that, you get $17.20. This is the discount. This is how much money is taken off of that price. This is not how much you pay for it. So in order to figure out how much you pay for it, since it was a discount, we need to now subtract $85.99 minus $17.20. And we get $68.79. Therefore, the discount is $17.20 and the selling price is $68.79. Make sure you put that dollar sign in your final answer. And that's it for today.